What's going on, everybody? Backyard airgun fun here again. Just got done doing my video with the 25, the HPSS plus 25 with the coconuts. Now I'm just going to finish them off with the Terminator. Just a few shots, see what happens. Only got 4 shots loaded up in the mag. Going to make this one a quick one for you. First 2 are the Lucky 7 air ammo. Best air gun slugs on the market, in my opinion. The 106 grain round nose, got 2 of those loaded up. Then we've got the 93 grain hollow point. Look at that big, deep, fat lead trash can. Man. Like I said, guys, these are the coconuts from my previous HPSS 25 video. 4 entry holes, exits. It just pretty much demolished these coconuts. But now I got 2 of them set up here, plus a gallon milk jug filled up with water. So let's see how bad the Terminator terminates these coconuts. Yes, they've got holes in them, but they're up and down. Got them sideways where they haven't been shot. And they're not filled with water. So, I mean, it's not a true coconut test. But I'm just going to shoot shit out of them a few times, see what happens. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me get y'all set up. And I'm not fully filled up. Starting at about 21 MPA. But I found around the 23, 21 MPA is about the sweet spot with the Terminator. Safety off. Back up here about 20 feet. And firing. Oh, we hit the water jug. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that freaking hole. Entry, exit. Get a new part of plastic. Entry, exits. Let me spin these around, get some more hard part of the coconut. Get a better angle. Now I'm going to hit them with those 93 grain meat punch hollow points. Oh. Yep. Those meat punch went through the coconuts and through the pineapple. We've got a few rounds in the jug. While that drains, let's check out these pineapples. Or pineapples, coconuts. Shot some pineapples the other day. Whew. Look at that clean hole there. I can't remember what was what. Okay, yeah. That's definitely one of those hollow points. 2 hollow points right there. Bam. Bam. Busted that whole chunk out there. Fresh coconut. Tastes like shit. Damn. Blew the top off. Who wants some lead coconut? Man. Well, I guess that speaks for itself. Well, you guys, I heard rattling in the jug. There was only one that we caught in there. I think it's one of the 106 grain round nose, maybe the first one. After that first shot, just tore it up. The other 3 rounds went through both the coconuts and out the water jug. Exit, entry, exits and entries. Alright, there you guys go. I just had to do something else with these coconuts. Wanted to hit it with the Terminator. Couldn't help myself. Alright, you guys, backyard airgun fun. Just having some fun. Share, if you like this video, share it so someone else can see it. Everybody else, please like and subscribe. I'll see everybody next time. Backyard airgun fun out.